Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. Our today's topic is short question answer part 1 from chapter 11. Let's start our class. Now look, today we will do 3 short question answer from chapter 11, and the name of this chapter is ethnic groups in Bangladesh. Short questions. Number 1, write 5 examples of ethnic clothing. So dear students, you will just write the name of 5 clothings for 2 marks, but here we want to give you information about the clothing of the 5 ethnic groups from your book. 5 examples of ethnic clothing are given below. Now look. Number A, the Garo women traditionally wear dugbanda or dogshari. The men wear shirts, lungi and dhoti. Now number B, the Khashi girls wear a blouse called kazimpin. The men wear shirts and lungi called fongu maru. Now next one, number C, the traditional dresses of Mro women is called wanglai. The men wear short white dresses. Number D, the Tripura women wear rinai on their lower halves and risa above. The men wear dhoti, towels, lungi and shirts. Number E, the Oran men wear dhoti, lungi, trousers and shirts. The men wear saris and blouses made of coarse cloth. So dear students, this is the answer of number 1, 5 examples of ethnic clothing. That means you will write the name of 5 clothing, but here we want to give you information about the 5 ethnic group. So the question can write about the clothing of the Tripura ethnic group. So on that time you will just write about the Tripura ethnic group, just like this. Now we will go to our next question, number 2, write 5 examples of ethnic festivals. 5 examples of ethnic festivals are: A, the traditional festival of Garo is called Wangala. It is dedicated to the sun and the god Sajlok, who gives fertility to the soil. Number B, the Khashi celebrate their festivals like puja, weddings, festivals of drought and flood, etc. Number C, the Mro people celebrate births, weddings and deaths. When children reach 3 years, there is a ritual to pierce their ears. Now number D, the Tripura people celebrate births, weddings and deaths. Boishu is a New Year celebration. When the women of Tripura visit the villages, they wear flowers in their hair. Now number E, the main Oran festival is Karam, which is celebrated on the 11th day of a full moon of the month of Bhadra. So we know about the ethnic festivals of the 5 ethnic groups, and according to your question you will just write the answer. Now we will go to question number 3. Write 5 examples of ethnic food. The answer is 5 examples of ethnic food are: number A, the Garo eat foods like meat, fish, rice and different types of vegetables. Their specialty is cooking with the stem of soft bamboo. Now number B, the main foods of the Khashi are rice, meat, dried fish and honey. However, they consider battle leaves very sacred. They welcome their guests with battle leaves, nuts and tea. This is their social customs also. Now number C, the Mro eat rice, dried fish and meat. Their special food is a kind of fish paste called napi. Number D, the main food of Oran is rice. They also eat maize, wheat, fish, meat and a variety of vegetables. Now number D, the Tripura people usually eat rice, fish and meat. So we know about the ethnic foods of the 5 tribal group or ethnic groups. So dear students, there are 3 short question answer 1, 2 and 3, and all of you will go through your book and then you will learn this short question answer. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will go through your textbook very carefully and then you will learn your answer. See you again. Allah Hafiz.